You'll never want to buy ice cream again once you learn this recipe. In a pressure cooker, place a can of condensed milk and cover with water. Don't forget to remove the label. After adding the water, add a spoon of alcohol vinegar. Remember to cover the entire can. Close the pan and heat for 30 minutes after getting pressure. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and wait until the pot loses pressure. Then remove the can from the pan. Use tweezers so you don't burn yourself. Place the can in a container of cold water and stir for a few seconds until the can cools down. After it has cooled, dry the can with a cloth. Then open it this way. See, condensed milk turned into a wonderful milk cream. I would already eat like that. How about you? Say it in the comments. Place the milk cream in a blender. Then add 2 more boxes of cream. Beat on high speed for a few minutes. Right now I would like to know which city you are watching us from, so I can send you a special thank you in the next recipe. It is very important that you also tell us your opinion about our recipes in the comments. Do you like desserts or do you prefer savory foods? Tell me in the comments. When it has a mousse consistency, it's ready. Here I have 2 containers to serve in individual portions. If you want, you can use a large platter too. You can stuff them and put them in the freezer for 4 hours. Now all you have to do is taste this creamy milk jam wonder. Thanks for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Do it at your house and tell me how it turned out. See you next recipe.